Hey kids! Oh, what's that? My all numbers are mixed up. Now what we should do? We pick up the number from here that appear on the screen and keep it on the puzzle board. Okay? So let's get started. Let's see which number come first on the screen. Hey, that's a number 5. Can you see here number 5? Yes, it's there. This is number 5. What do you think? This green matches with? Yes, you are right. This green match with parrot. Okay, let's go back on the puzzle board. Number 5. Where we should place it? I think it's there. Yes, it goes perfectly. Let's see what is the next number appear on the screen. Great. This is number 9. Can you point out number 9? Yes, it's there. This is number 9 in purple color. Do you know anything that's purple color? Yes, it's an eggplant. Eggplant is purple color. Let's put this number on the puzzle board. Where we should put number 9? Match the color. Here is purple. But we need 1 also. So it's not right place for that. It goes here. Well done. Keep it up. Now we wait to see what number will come next, and the wait end with number 2. Can you help me to find number 2? This is 20, not 2. Yes, we got it. This is number 2 in orange color. Now the time to tell me one fruit that's in orange color. Yes, it's an orange fruit. Now we put it number 2. Let's see what is the next number come on the screen. Hey, it's a 14. Where is number 14? It's there. This is number 14. 1, 4, 14. 14 is a big number and color is pretty yellow. Can you name the two things whose color is yellow? Think about. Yes, you are right. One is mango and second is lemon. Where we should put 14? Here? It's not right spot for that. Here? Yes, it goes perfectly. Let's see what is the next number will come on the screen. Hey, it's a 7. 7 is right there. It's a sky blue color number 7. The color is matched with sky. Okay, let's put it on the puzzle board. Where we should put number 7? 5, 6, 7. 7 goes here. Let's see what is the next number will come on the screen. Hey, it's a number 8. Where it is number 8? It's there. It's a red color, pretty cool number 8. Do you know anything that's color is red? Red flowers, red apple. Okay, let's go back on the puzzle board. Now we put it number 8. Number 8 always come near to number 7. So let's put it right there. After putting 8 on the puzzle board, let's see what is the next number will come on the screen. Hey, it's a number 16. Can you help me to find the number 16? No, it's the 19. 16 is here. I think you know about this color. It's a parrot green color and we can say that yellow green color. Okay, let's put it on the puzzle board. Now the time to place number 16. Here? It's not fit. Here? Yes, it's a right spot for that. The next number that's appeared on the screen, it's a 19. Where is 19? It's there. 1919. It's a purple color number 19. Eggplant is purple color. Now we find the place for number 19. 16, 17, 18, 19. So we should place it here. Let's see what number comes next on the screen. Hey, it's a number 20. Can you help me to find number 20? Yes, it's there. 2, 0, 20. Speak with me. 20. 20 is red color number. Okay, let's put it on the puzzle board. Do you know where we should put number 20? 20 come just after 19. So we should put it here. Next number appear on the screen. It's a 0. Where it is 0? It's there. This is number 0 in pink color. You like pink color? I also. Do you have any idea where we should place this number 0? Yes, you are right. On the first place of this puzzle board, it comes here. Next number that appear on the screen, it's a 4. Where it is number 4? Number 4 is hide here. But we found it. This is number 4 in dark green color. Do you know anything whose color is green? Yes, we know that is 3. Their color is green. Now we should place number 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just before number 5. Next number appear on the screen. This is number 6. Can you point out for me number 6? Yes, it's there. This is a dark blue color number 6. Blueberry is dark blue color. Yes. Okay. Hey number 6, go back to your place. Now we place number 6 on this board. 4, 5, 6, 7. It comes between 5 and 7. So we should place it here. Now we wait to see what number will next come. Hey, it's a number 10. 1, 0, 10. Number 10 is there. 1, 0, 10 and color is red. Now we should place number 10. 8, 9, 10. So 10 comes here. After 10, next will appear on the screen number 12. Hey number 12, where are you? I am here. 1, 2, 12. It's a pink color 12 number. Now the time to put number 12 in this board. No, it's not come. 10, 11, 12. So this is the right place for number 12. Now we have left few number. Okay, next will come. This is number 1. Yes, we got it. It's a pink color number 1. It's an all-time favorite number 1 where we should put. It's a right place for number 1. Okay, let's see what is the next number appear on the screen. Hey, great. This is number 3. Yellow color number 3. Do you remember anything that is yellow color? Yes, you are right, mango. Now the time to place number 3 on this puzzle board. Do you know where we should place? Here. Here we need one more number. It's not right place for that. It come here between 2 and 4. Number 3 goes here. Okay, let's see which number appear on the screen now. 11. Where it is 11? It's there. 1, 1, 11. 11 is a big number. Now we have a number 11. So where we should place number 11? Between 10 and 12. Number 11 come here. Next number appear on the screen. It's a 13. 13 is right there. Orange color number 13. 1, 3 together make number 13. Oh, where we should place number 13? Here. It's not fit and not match the color. Orange color is here. It's match the color, so we should place it right there. Let's see what is the next number will come. It's a number 15. It's a dark green color number 15. 1, 5, 15. Next we have a number 15. Okay, number 15, where is your right spot in this puzzle board? Do you know? Yes, it's there just before number 16. You can guess what is the next number appear on the screen. Let's see. It's a 17. 1, 7, 17. It's a dark blue color. Number 17. Do you like dark blue color? Nice. Number 17 comes just after number 16. So we should place it here. Now we have left only one number. Let's see which number comes next on the screen. It's a number 18. Number 18 in light blue color. 1, 8 together make number 18. Hey 18, you go your place. This is the sign of plus addition. So it comes here. Next sign is subtraction. So we will place just after plus sign. Next we have a sign of multiply. So we should place it multiply here. And this is the sign of divide. So where we should place? Here is the right place for that. Next we have a sign of equal. That makes the thing equal. So we should place it right there. I think we should do one more time together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Speak with me. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 plus, minus, multiply, divide and equal. Now we move on our next puzzle in which we learn 1 to 10 counting. Hey kids, can you help me to assemble this elephant puzzle? Okay, thank you. Let's start with number 1. This is the trunk of the elephant. Now we need to number 2. Yes, we got it. This is number 2 and we join here. After 2, what is the next will come? Do you know? You are right. This is number 3. Great job. Now we join the number 3 with number 2 puzzle piece. Next will come. This is number 4. Do you see here number 4? Great job. This is number 4 in orange color. The all number make the upper body of the elephant. Now we take next one. This is green color number 5 and we join the mid of this elephant puzzle and make the middle part of the elephant. Next will come. I think you know. This is number 6. Where it is number 6? Hey, it's here. That color number 6 puzzle piece. Now we join them and together make the elephant body. Okay, now we need the number 7. We got it. Number 7 and it makes the tail of the elephant. Nice. Okay, now we need the next piece of this puzzle. This is number 8 and I think it's the legs of the elephant. Yes, you are right. Now we need the next piece of the puzzle. This is number 9 and this one is the back side leg of the elephant. Now we need one more puzzle piece and make the back side legs of the elephant. Okay, now we find the number 10 puzzle piece. Can you see here number 10 puzzle piece? No. Oh, where is the number 10 piece puzzle? It's there. Wow, great job. We find it number 10. We together make the elephant. Today we do so much fun. Remember kids, number help us put things together, just like we built our elephant. See you soon in next adventure. Bye bye. Take care.